This is the new CNC rotary axis table indexing from Sherline. I just unpacked it during a blizzard. It came with one little something inside the screen there, but it works. I already set it to 96 divisions, which means like a 96 tooth gear. And when you hit next, each one of those is 96, like a 96 of a complete circle. So 96 tooth gear. Let's enter mode. Press enter. It guides you through it. 96. Let's do a 032 tooth gear. And hit 2. Then enter. And then I'm going to keep hitting that. So next. Oh. It's got the little, I think it's a NEMA type motor. That's connected to the controller. And we're zooming around. I also got a TAG 4-jaw chuck with independent jaws to put on here. That way I can put a EC32 collet block for easy change out, or just use the jaws on there normally. It comes with a little screw in there that fits in the, I believe this is a 3/8 16T thread in there. And the adapter that comes with it goes to 3/4 of an inch 16T, which just happens to be what the TAG chucks have, and the Sherline ones, but the TAG ones are nice. I had a bunch of TAG chucks for my lathe, and I got another one just to keep on this thing for fun. Yeah, pretty cool. You can also jog. The jog function isn't doing anything. Oh, because I'm in stop jog. Press 1 or 2, jog mode. Just hold it down. It's also got this awesomeness back here. Isn't that cool? I know it's hard to see. You can set the jog speed. That's it.